Hi guys, this is Kel from Megaworld at the Fort, and itutur ko kayo sa one-bedroom loft natin here in Uptown Arts. Tara! So upon entering, mapapansin nyo meron tayong keycard access na door. At the same time, naandito na rin yung kitchen nyo. So, makikita natin sa kitchen, very spacious, may ref na, kitchen cabinets, countertop, 2-zone burner cooktop, at range hood. Next, living and dining area. Dito naman tayo sa very spacious na living and dining area. It comes with a split type aircon, at the same time, yung toilet nyo. Toilet is floor to ceiling ceramic tiles na. Check naman natin yung lanay nyo. Isa sa mga highlight ng unit na to is its very own lanay. Maraming pwedeng gawin at pwede rin magsampay. Tara, punta naman tayo dito sa ating bedroom. So, bedroom natin is nasa taas. It's come with a cabinet na merong mirror at the same time, your toilet and bath. Your toilet and bath, kompleto na rin. What you see is what you get. At every morning, ang bubungad sa inyo is yung view na to. For more questions, details, viewings, or Zoom meetings, just comment down below so I can assist you. Catch you in the next one.